and welcome to the channel. Today we are here with Rib Shack Marine to have a look at the Axopar 37, but with a slightly different twist on this. So this is a boat share scheme. So what happens here is 4 people own this boat outright, and then it's managed by Rib Shack Marine. So we'll start on the aft engine end here, where you can see there's a couple of Mercury 300s, and I'll drop the performance figures in the details below. Great big tow frame here, a couple of really neat deck lockers on either side for the fenders and the like. Same way over that side, and a really big aft sun cushion. Now this effectively isn't going to be storage here because this is housing the aft cabin. Great big deck house there with glazing all around. And if I just take a step up here for a sec, you can see on the top you've got the radar, but also a roof rack system, so you can put your canoes, your paddle boards, anything you fancy up there. As we go forward, it's the same on both sides. There's a massive, great big door that slides across and opens up both sides here. You can see the other one over the other side there. Really deep side decks, great handrails. I mean, this bulwark is halfway between my knee and my hip. And then we walk forward, you can see there's cabin glazing there, and then these famous Axopar Falcon doors, one on each side, which gives you a second access point to the forward cabin. We'll have a look at that on the way back. And there's a great seating area up on the foredeck. Little table there, another cushion here, and then underneath here is a vast forward locker with your anchor winch, and again somewhere to chuck your fenders, your lines, boat hook and alike. If I just turn around here, you can see those Falcon doors, and also you can see, if I duck down here, that really purposeful forward looking windscreen. So seeing as we're here, we will head down here first into the forward cabin. Little step here to get you in, and if I take a couple of steps back here, you can see that big double berth filling up the whole of that section. And for the sake of it, these little steps fold out the way. I think, if I remember rightly, there's a ton of storage here underneath here. Little seat on either side. Another one on that side. And then this brings you forward into the little area here. Behind us on this side is the heads. A little wash basin in there, and the trip panel in the side there. And then behind us here, this little door folds out here, over there like so, and then there's a shower in here. And then this door that gave you entry to the loo here, bear with me while I do this, that door then shifts back and closes that off there. So you've got self-contained loo and shower behind me. Really clever design. So I fold that door back in there, like so. Then we can exit through the fore cabin and the heads into the main saloon, like so. Big seating section. As you can see, for the sake of the show, they've got that middle seat hooked up there, which then gives you access to the aft cabin. Seating all the way around here, and a decent size fold out table so everyone can dine. Loads of storage under the seats as well. There's a little fridge down in here. Just fold that table back. We'll head down into the aft cabin. As you can see, there's a little section here to put your feet down so you can stand up in there, and then the blinds are down, but big superstructure windows on either side, and this is a really big bed. I'm going to do something they tell you never to do at a boat show. I'm actually going to get in here and give you an indication. So yeah, I'm just over 1.7 meters. That's me at the end, and there's still plenty of room. There's 2 skylights above us here as well, which obviously can add light or not, depending on whether you have the infill cushions in. So we'll come out of the aft cabin, forward to the helm station, where we have a couple of Axopar seats with the bolsters. They slide up and down, There's a footrest down here, or a stand-up rest for the skipper if he wants to stand up, because you can open this massive canvas sunroof and have this whole area open. You imagine that with both doors on both sides. Nice big glass bridge with a set of Simrads in there. Lovely selection of solenoid driven switches. Throttle controllers for the outboards, and bow thruster and trim tab control. So there you go. So that is the idea. This is an Axopar 37, and thank you very much to Rib Shack Marine for letting us have a look around. Now if you want to learn more about shared ownership, if you don't want to cover the cost of the entire boat yourself, then they will help you out with that, covering things right the way down to moorings, insurance, pretty much everything, even including maintenance. So thank you very much for Rib Shack Marine for letting us have a look around. Hope you've enjoyed our tour. Do please like and subscribe. It makes a massive difference to the channel, and I'll see you next time round. Thank you for watching.